We're here at Lousy Productions garage today, doing a little motor, like so. I got my soldering iron. It's the wrong, it doesn't conduct electricity right. It's way too thick, it'll cause an impedance. Want to see that our solder's wetting. Now we got a nice little bit on there, actually a little bit more than maybe we even need. Let's check it. We got a nice connection there. Turn this wire over a little bit. Drop a ball of solder. Okay. Good enough for who it's for. Just trying to have cool stuff. That up even further. Shrink tape. Work, you fuck.